Hey, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Mavic Air and some new modes that are available to us via QuickShots, which is basically just a few taps that allows you to be able to get really amazing and epic cinematic shots. And I'm going to show you how to do all of them coming up. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Timothy, and on this channel I focus on tech tools and tutorials to help you create the best content that you can for your YouTube channels and your productions. So if you're new to my community here, I would just invite you to join us, hit that subscribe button. You can also hit me up over on Instagram at TimothySundayJR, where I interact with everyone every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can check out new videos every week here on YouTube on Tuesdays and Fridays at 2 p.m. So the new modes that we have available to us on the Mavic Air are just a really great way to grab a quick shot to show that just the environment that you're in, or maybe you want to do something just autonomously, let it do its own, cinematic smooth shot. There's a lot of different options. So let's go ahead and get the Mavic Air up in the air real quick, and I'm going to show you on the menu system exactly how to access all of this. All right, so first let's talk about exactly how to get into these shots. Now on the left-hand side of the screen, you're gonna see several icons. One is the takeoff icon, the land icon, home point, the APAS, which I actually did a video about already. You can check that out over here. I'll leave a link up here for you. But the other one that is on there is a little remote icon. If you'll tap on that, then you get a menu that comes up that tells you all of these different modes. So you've got the normal, but then you also have quick shot, active track, smart capture, tripod, cinematic mode, tap to fly, and point of interest. Now all of these modes, except for quick shot and smart capture, I've actually done videos on just using the Mavic Pro. And so you might want to check out some of those videos if you are interested in learning how to use these. A quick pro tip, if you didn't know, using tripod mode as soon as you get your Mavic Air is a really great feature to be able to just turn on and to learn how to fly your drone. So check that out. But let's just jump in really quick to these quick shots. Now, tapping on quick shots brings up another menu on the bottom. And on the bottom, you have your 6 different options. You've got droney, circle, helix, rocket, boomerang, and asteroid. So let's take a look at all of these and see what they do. First of all, I just want to go ahead and jump to my favorite one, because why wait around for it? It's asteroid. And so we're going to click on that. Every time you click on one of these, it's going to give you just a quick little demo on the screen. Basically, this one says it's going to fly backwards and upwards while recording video. Then it's going to capture a spherical panorama at the top end of the flight path. Then it'll combine all of that footage into a short video for you. So that's really, really cool. So we're just gonna hit OK. And what we have to do is, I've got the drone a little bit further away out there, so it's not too noisy for us, but I need to bring it back in. And just gonna line it up here and see myself in the image. And it gives us little circles everywhere that tells us, what it can possibly focus on. So I'm going to try to get it to focus on me. It's showing up as my truck right now. Now see, you've got the green circle right there that's on me. So it's gonna automatically find me with that green little icon. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on it, and it's gonna say 3, 2, 1, and it's automatically gonna center up on me. It's going to start recording and take off. And as it goes up, it's just going to fly directly above me. You can see on the controller itself that it does have a small little home point there. And then it's just gonna go up and start taking these panoramic shots. So this is all really cool. It does it all automatically. I'm not doing anything on the controller whatsoever. So you can look right here and see I'm not touching the joysticks. It's doing all of this automatically and capturing this entire spherical image. Another thing that's really cool is underneath the record button, it actually gives you a percentage so you can see how it's doing. It's at 72, 73, 75%. And so that allows us to keep track of exactly how far we are along in the process. Once it finishes the process, it's going to return back home, and then it'll compile the video for me, save it in the playback menu, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So that's a really cool and unique way to capture exactly where you are and maybe show off your environment a little bit. I can see this being a very neat way to share on social or whatever it might be, because nobody else and no other device can create images like this. So it's a super cool way to stand out and be unique on your platform as well. All right, so once you're done with that shot, you can actually go back to the menu and pick a different one. So for example, let's just go ahead and, if you'll notice, like where the drone icon used to be on the controller, it's now the little QuickShots reel. So we can click on that and then just hit the normal mode. Then it brings us back to normal operation. To jump back into another quick shot so we can do another one, we just tap on the controller and go to quick shot again. Now it brings up the menu again on the bottom. And so let's try another one like the circle. This one's really great because it's a great and easy way with just a couple clicks to get an amazingly cinematic 360 of your environment and just kind of show off some things. This would be a great way to do a reveal and whatnot. So I'm just gonna bring the drone up closer to me again because it's, you know, noisy. I've been taking it away. Bring it up a little closer. You wanna make sure that you don't have anything else around you. Gonna go ahead and line up on me. You see it sees me. All I gotta do is tap on myself, 3, 2, 1. It locks on and it starts going. The only thing you have to be careful of is that this doesn't have side sensors and it is flying sideways. So you don't want to accidentally fly it into some sort of obstacle, but it's just so cool. 2 taps and boom, you are in taking this amazing, amazing shot. All right, let's take a look at another one. Going back to normal mode again, going back to quick shot. I wish there was a way to just change that in the menu. DJI, work on that in an update. Let's do a droney. And you can, by selecting that, you just select the distance that you want. So I'm gonna say, let's say 55 meters. And it's already got me tagged again here. So we're just going to click on myself, 3, 2, 1, and it's gonna center myself up and take a droney. Now, essentially, the droney is a selfie, right? So, but all it's doing is going backwards and expanding the view. And so imagine this if you're, say, on you know, some sort of cliff or out on the beach or something really, really epic. You'd be able to reveal everything around you. And that's pretty cool. It's really, really neat to be able to have this at just, again, 2 taps and it's doing it. And then as soon as it's finished, it actually hit record automatically for me. Then it hit record to stop it and it comes back home. So you can hear it coming closer again. And I didn't do anything that entire time. So it's pretty cool. I love that mode as well. Another way to get very cinematic shots. All right, let's take a look at another one. Jumping into quick shots again. Gotta go to normal. Hopefully that gets fixed. Let's check out the Helix mode. Now, this flies around a subject in a spiral while ascending. So then you tap the Helix icon to adjust flight direction before starting. So what we're gonna do is bring it in again. It's gonna show up that, you know, I'm an option here. Just gonna tap on that green circle one more time. 3, 2, 1, and it's gonna lock in there. And there it goes. And so it's actually gonna fly up and out. I was really worried there for a second because it passed that pole. But as it's ascending, it's doing a spiral as well. So it's similar to the circle option that we have that I showed you before, but with this one, you're actually gaining altitude at the same time. So this is a great way to get perspective or to show off just a really cool environment. And it's just gonna circle all the way around and show off where we are. Pretty cool. Again, guys, these are some complicated moves to get these to be so smooth. And to have it to do this automatically just with a couple taps, super cool. And just like all the other modes, as soon as it's finished its shot, it stops the video recording for you and returns back home. All right, let's try out rocket mode next. And so what this does is just go straight up. So we're gonna go ahead and hit rocket mode, and it's gonna track the subject and go straight up. So we're going to go out in front of the subject, which is myself, and I'm gonna do this one from this angle actually. So we've got the mountains behind me. So yeah, got that right there. I'm just gonna tap on myself again, 3, 2, 1. One tap, it's gonna frame me up in the center of the shot, hit the record button automatically, and go straight up in the air, fly over the top of me, and go straight up. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Again, guys, I'm not doing anything, a couple taps and you're getting these amazing cinematic shots. I can't tell you like how impressive all of this is. I mean, I think you guys can probably tell, you know, as time has gone on, how awesome technology has improved, right? And to be able to do these little quick shots like this, super big game changer. To have the Mavic Air be so compact and to be able to pull off shots like this without a problem, without me doing anything, just a couple taps and boom, we're getting these amazing shots and footage. It's really cool, and it opens up a huge opportunity for us as filmmakers. All right, so we are losing daylight pretty quickly here, guys, but I wanted to show you the very last one. Just gonna go into the QuickShot menu one more time and check out Boomerang. Now this one's gonna fly around a subject in an upwardly sloped and oval with the video finishing at the start point. So it will act just like if you were to throw a boomerang, and you could actually throw a boomerang and it came back to you. So it sees me. I'm gonna go ahead and push the green icon there. 3, 2, 1, and go. It's gonna lock on me and circle around and gain altitude at the same time, doing a nice little boomerang. This is probably one of the best shots I've had just out of the gate because it shows the mountains behind there and a perfect reveal. And guys, again, I never touched the controllers at all. So that is really cool. Bringing it back around now, and there it goes. Returns back to the home point and stops. So guys, that brings us to question of the day. Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite new mode on the Mavic Air? Which of these cool quick shots do you think would be most useful to you as a filmmaker? Guys, thanks so much for stopping by the channel today. I hope it's been helpful just to go through really quickly and show off these new modes. If you want to watch more videos that I've made about the Mavic Air, you can actually click right here to watch those. If you want to check out more videos from the channel, you can click over here. Be sure and hit that notification bell and that you're subscribed to the channel so you never miss a new video every Tuesday and Friday at 2 p.m. Guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video.